Ah! So, you wonder, how do you make a spoon ring? In this video, I will show you. You need to clip the end off, like you should measure where it's going around your finger. And when you think you've had the right size, you snip it off the end. It could be a bit hard sometimes. When you got it to the size you want, you need to use a file or sandpaper or both to make it smooth on the end, so you don't hurt yourself on it. So when you got it smooth, then you can start bending. And in this example, I'm gonna use like a steel rod, but you can also use like the tip of a hammer or something that's like solid steel, that's round. And then you wanna take your rod or hammer, for example, screw it together, like so. You wanna start pushing, bending just with the thumbs, light pressure. And then again, take it out. Now to just show you guys that I've got the bend started going, you want to get this first bend as close to the tip as possible. So this is a little bit too far down, but you can still try to bend it a little bit earlier again. So look at this. Now when you gotta started with the bend, just keep going all the way around. And then put it in again. Then push. Then put it out. You see, I'm making progress. So yeah, it's getting somewhere. Now when you've come to here, then it's gonna be hard to push. So what I like to do is like use a hammer like this, or a hammer like this. And if you want to, you can find like some just old cloth or t-shirt to put it in on the end, so it doesn't rub off the rust or anything. And then you just hammer it down a bit. And now we've got it into the right shape. You could start using it like this, but now you want to measure the size that you want it in. So if it's going on this finger, now you need to clamp it together. So you use the stand again, clamping it together. And just go slow and steady, clamping from different angles so it doesn't get wonky. And look here, a nice ring I just made myself. So yeah, there you have it guys. That's how you make a ring out of a spoon. And it's very easy and you can do it at home.